Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and leave me any questions or comments down below in the comment section. And I want to welcome every single one of you that's brand new to my channel. Thank you for joining our couponing community. I know it's weird to hear a guy couponing or a guy couponer. There's very few of us, but we are here. We are here and we are not going anywhere. So make sure you're subscribing to the channel, leave your thumbs up, and share the video so we can help more people save their money. And let me go ahead and get started with these Walgreens easy couponing deals that you don't need any coupons for. You could do these deals online, but I'll give you the code and I'll let you know why you should do them in store versus doing them online. Let me go ahead and share my screen so I could go over the first deal. The first deal is on the Dawn Power Wash products. Dawn Power Wash is on sale this week for $4.99. When we buy 4 of these, that'll be $19.96. When we buy 4, we're getting $4 back in store reward. That prints out at the register. Please, please, please do not walk away from that register as soon as you get your receipt. Sometimes it takes a second, a couple seconds for the register reward to print. Also, another tip, before you pay, ask the cashier, is the Catalina machine on? You want to make sure that that machine is on in order for you to get that register reward printed. Sometimes it won't print because there's no paper. So please make sure that you ask before you pay. You want to make sure you're getting that register reward. In case it doesn't print, do not worry. Just ask the cashier. Let them know that the deal was buy 4, get $4 in store reward, and they should be able to accommodate some cash rewards for you or points. Okay, so we're getting 4 of these at $19.96. When we buy 4, we're getting a $4 in register reward. $4 in register reward prints out. That'll bring your total down to $15.96 or $3.99 each. For this purchase, you may pay with points since the deal states buy 4, get 4. So you could pay with points here. You could use $10 in Walgreens cash or points to pay. Or you could get a candy or something that'll round up your total to $20. If you have $20, then you'll use $20 in cash rewards. That way you'll be paying $0 out of pocket and you'll still get your $4 in store reward rolling. The next deal is on the Febreze fabric fresheners. I call them fabric fresheners. I don't know what you guys call them, but that's what I call them. You know, spring cleaning has started. I'm doing a lot of spring cleaning around my house, and I actually need to go get 4 of these to spray down the sofas, the beds, etc. You all know what I'm talking about. These are $5.49 each this week. We have until Saturday the 15th to take advantage of this deal. So you still have a couple days or 3-4 days left, depending on when you're watching this video. The deal this week is buy 4, get $5 in store reward. That prints out at register at the on the Catalina machine or at the Catalina machine next to the register. So make sure you wait before you head out. Get that receipt and wait. If it doesn't print out, let them know right away that the deal states buy 4, get $5 in store reward. We have a digital coupon for $1 off. So that's $21.96 on 4 of these since they're $5.49. A lot of different Febreze products are qualifying for this deal. So make sure you check your store and see which ones you want to get. If you do it online, you could do it online using code CLEAN15, CLEAN15. But keep in mind that the store reward will not print when you go pick up. Okay. So that's the only caveat there. You will not get the register reward if you do online for store pickup. You will get a 15% additional discount on the purchase of $25 or more. So you have to add one more here using code CLEAN15, but you will not get the register reward printed. That's why you should do it in store. Do it in store, get 4 of them, $5.49, $21.96 minus the $1 digital coupon. That'll be $20.96. If you have any other paper coupons that you want to use, check the coupon and see if there's a limit on the paper ones. And you could combine it here with this purchase. That'll be $3.99 each after receiving the $5 store reward, which is not a bad deal on Fabrice. And like I said, I'm doing my spring cleaning, so I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of this deal too. I'm actually gonna take advantage of the Dawn and this deal. And last but not least, is on this Dawn Platinum Easy Squeeze. I've yet to try this. I have not tried it yet. I've been saying that I'm gonna buy it, but sometimes I don't have money. I mean, I'm on a fixed income, fixed budget, and sometimes I don't have money to spend. But I'm going to try to roll my register rewards from one of the other purchases to this one and see if that works. That way I could lower my out of pocket. So for these Dawn Platinum AC Squeeze, if you have used them, let me know in the comments if you've used them and what do you think about them. Uh, like I said, I haven't tried them. Let me know if it's better than buying the other one, the bigger bottles. Let me know what you think. Four of these are $3.99. Four times $3.99, that's $15.96. If you have any digital coupons, use them here. In my account, there was no digital coupons, so I wasn't able to use any, which is fine. If you have any paper coupons that you want to take advantage of and use them for these products, use them in store. Some people got the spend 15 get 5 booster. If you have that, this will be a perfect time to use the booster. But remember, if you're using a booster, you cannot pay with points because you will not get back your booster money. So, like in this case, if it says spend 15, get $5 back in that booster, you need to spend out of pocket in order for you to get your $5 back in cash rewards. For this deal, you could pay with points. If you're not using a booster, you're going to be buying four. You're getting $4 back in store reward this week until April 15th. Buy four, get $4 back in store reward. 15.99, 15.96 minus four, that's 11.96. Or making each of these $2.99, which is not a bad deal if you need dish liquid or dishwashing liquid. $15.96, but you'll get $4 back in store reward. The store reward, make sure you get that before you leave the register, and that you could use that on a future purchase or you could use it on whatever you need to buy. Like I bought groceries on this channel. I've showed you how I bought groceries with my store rewards, my register rewards, and it worked out perfectly. So that'll be $2.99 each. And I think that's a pretty good deal. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. Leave me a comment down below so I can say hi to you. Leave me a like, leave those thumbs up, comment, and share, share, share. Sharing is caring. Remember that we need to share these videos so more people could take advantage of these deals. And last but not least, I was gonna let you know if you have a booster for this deal here. Let's say you have the spend 20 get 5. Use that booster for this one. You'll be paying 15.96 after your booster, 10.96 after your store rewards. So making for an awesome, awesome deal for you if you want to take advantage of that. So let me know if you have any questions, comments down below in the comment section, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. I'll be preparing a get ready with me video. So stay tuned for that tonight. That'll be posted tonight, I believe. Is tonight Wednesday? Tonight is Wednesday. I was trying to think. I'm like, is that today or tomorrow? That is tonight. So make sure you leave those thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And welcome to all my new subscribers. Easy couponing at its best here on this channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.